Hi, this is Dr. Sassy. Today, I want to talk to you about a breakthrough treatment for people who struggle with bladder or bowel control problems. It's called Axonics Therapy. Imagine a tiny device placed just under the skin near your hip that talks gently to the nerve in your lower back, the one that helps your bladder and bowels know when it's time to go. This device helps that nerve work better, so you'll have fewer accidents and better control, all without needing to take more pills or wear pads all the time. Axonics is for people who are tired of rushing to the bathroom or worried about leaks that happen without warning. It helps when you pee too often, can't empty your bladder fully, or even have trouble holding in bowel movements. After a short test to see if the treatment works for you, the device gets implanted and you control it with a small remote. It lasts up to 15 years. You can still get MRIs, and most people feel much better after getting it. For many, it means fewer trips to the bathroom and more confidence every day.